Shh. Everyone, be quiet. Grace is still sleeping.
Is Mom asleep? Yes, Leo. It's very early.
Okay, team. Today is a special day. Do you know why?
It's Mom's birthday. Happy birthday!
Shh. Not so loud, Leo. It's a surprise.
So, what are we doing, Dad?
We are going to make a birthday cake.
A cake? Chocolate cake?
Yes, Grace's favorite.
Can we really do it?
Of course. It looks easy. Okay, first we need the ingredients.
Ingredients? What is that?
It means the food we need.
Okay. I found the flour and the sugar. I see the eggs.
Careful, Leo. Walk slowly.
Watch out. I did it. Safe.
Phew. Good job, buddy.
I have the chocolate. Can I eat a piece?
No. The chocolate is for the cake. Step 1. 2 cups of flour.
I can do it.
Wait! That's too fast!
Dad, you have a white nose.
Very funny. Baking is messy. Step 2. Crack 3 eggs.
Oops. The shell fell in. I can fix it. It's slimy. It feels gross.
Oh boy. This is harder than I thought.
Dot, I don't think this looks like a cake. Good morning. What is happening here? Surprise!
Happy birthday, Grace. We wanted to make a cake.
But it went wrong. It's a mess. And the eggs are slimy.
Aw. You guys are so sweet.
I'm sorry. Please, save the cake.
Please help us, Mom.
Don't worry. Let's do this together. First, let's wash our hands. David, use the whisk. Mix the butter and sugar.
Mixing.
Chloe, please pour the milk slowly.
Like this?
Leo, add the chocolate chips. One for the bowl, one for me. Leo, save some for the cake. Good job. Now pour it into the pan.
The batter looks smooth now.
"30 minutes in the oven."
While we wait, let's clean this mess.
Wow, look at that cake.
It looks delicious.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grace. Make a wish.
I wish for more fun days like this.
Yummy! It is so sweet.
Next year, maybe we just buy a cake?
No way! Baking together is fun!